Hey, wait. Hello. So this is my new persona. Last one was pretty boring, so I decided to upgrade. I mean, why not? Well, I hope you like this new one. Okay, let's talk about today's video. Learning art in 7 days. Yeah, I know how to draw, but of course I'm not a pro. I still have a lot of things to improve, but I realize I can make good backgrounds. But characters, I need to learn more about drawing good characters and try to find a style I can feel satisfied with. So first of all, I noted down things I wanna change. Let's have a look. Face, pose, coloring because it's so flat. Eyes, be more open with ideas and color anatomy, and we don't need it here. So let's start this journey of 7 days. First of all, I wanted to learn faces in different angle. I tried to draw a face looking, I don't know, downwards, and it turned out like this. Okay, well, then I traced over two drawings and learned how important the guidelines can be. I learned the importance of guidelines, and this time I sketched some faces using guidelines, and it turned out pretty good, not gonna lie. I mean, the proportions were right, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, everything was looking good. It was in the right proportion, so I think it paid off. Then, using some pre-existing artwork, I tried to draw the anatomy, the faces angle and stuff, the hair, because I wanted to learn drawing good hairs. As I already learned how to draw face, I wanted to learn drawing good and flowy hair because the hair I draw looked so flat. So I practiced drawing hair by looking at reference of already existing art, and this really helped me a lot in learning how the flow of hair works, how different length of hair looks, and how I can stylize hair myself. And this was helpful too. Then after that, coloring. I learned a lot about coloring by studying different artists' artwork, and I have already made a video on color theory. I mean, because I was studying at that time, and it was like really helpful and helped me a lot in learning colors because the color I draw were so flat, and I don't know, I just did not like it. I mean, I wanted to be more creative and open with colors because color make me feel good. So, and I wanted to replicate that in my drawing. So while learning color theory, I was able to understand how I can combine different colors, how I can use warm and cool tones, how different artists use colors, and stuff like that. Like what can be the proportion of the colors you use, what are the limitations, what are the things I should keep in mind for a good color. So yeah, you can find all those videos in my channel. I have already made that in my in a video, so you can learn there. And then on to eyes. The way I draw eyes were not something that was very flattering. I did not like how I draw eyes, and I don't know, I feel like eyes have a lot of emotions, and I wanted to, like, they say eyes are the door of your heart. So I wanted to learn drawing better eyes because they really play a big role in your drawings. So yeah, I started to learn different type of shapes and like fundamentals of eyes, and started learning how I can draw good and pretty eyes, and it paid off really well. I think now I can draw good eyes, uh, and I'm pretty proud of myself for that. I also started learning different shapes. Like before, I just used to draw one kind of eye, but now I know how different shape eyes can be stylized. And yeah, I mean, overall, uh, now I love how I draw the eyes, and I'm just really proud of myself for that. Like you can see here, you can't tell me they are not pretty, okay? So, face check, pose check, coloring check, eyes check, and anatomy check, I guess. Now be more creative, huh? Okay, see all these. By seeing all these artists' artwork, I felt why I can't find the reference like this. But then I realized it's not reference, it's they combine many different reference and then merge them together to create this art piece. And I wanted to do that too. So after practicing all these things, keeping my mind open, learning for 7 days, and drawing continuously, like I drew a lot in these 7 days. Here's the final piece, and I love it. I know there are something I should improve, like of course there's always a room for improvement. I have to improve the anatomy, especially the hands. Other than that, I think I did a really good job here, and I love how this turned out, not gonna lie. The face is like just perfect, and the hair shading, I love it. So yeah, I mean there's always a room for improvement, and you should not be so hard on yourself. Like drawing is something you should enjoy, and if others don't like it, that's fine. As long as you like it, that all matter. Trust me, there is someone who will like your art, somebody who have same taste as yours. Oh well, I posted a time lapse of this drawing, how I made it. You can watch. Well, for now it's enough. I'll see you in the next video.